What you need: mica powders, micro brushes, isopropyl alcohol, Q-tips, paper towels, and I like to paint my molds on an easily movable surface, like this piece of acrylic here, so I can turn my mold with ease. To start, pick a spot in the middle and work outward. Make small, dabbing motions, not strokes like painting. Press the mica into the mold. It's okay to put more than you need. We will fix that later. Spray a clean microbrush or Q-tip with alcohol, and clean up excess mica that got into the next section we were about to color. Wipe excess on a paper towel, and repeat until the section is clean. Color the next section, and repeat. You can use canned air to blow away excess mica and only leave what is touching the mold. Clean up any areas you don't want to have mica on. Pour with black or another dark color for best results.